Hello future engineers, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're still new to my channel and you like what I'm doing, please don't forget to share my videos to your friends and to your friends' friends. To your younger brothers and sisters who would want to take up engineering in the future, and to your relatives. That's one way you can keep me going, inspired and refreshed. Now, if you find my videos interesting and important to your studies, also please don't forget to subscribe. Hello, future engineers. There is another very good, important problem in geometry. A point inside an equilateral triangle is at distances A, B, and C from the vertices. If C square equals A square plus B square, so the distances satisfy Pythagoras theorem, find the measure of angle beta. So this is angle beta. So it needs experience here to solve this problem. So we draw another equilateral triangle of side B as shown. So because this is an equilateral triangle of side B, so the sides are denoted with B, and the interior angles, each interior angles is 60 degrees as shown. Remember the properties of an equilateral triangle. So we have here two line segments A and B. So if we connect this point with that point, that should be side C, because in this triangle uh, the other two sides are A and B, so the opposite side should be C. It satisfies Pythagoras theorem, and since this is the hypotenuse, the longest side opposite to that side is 90 degrees as shown. So therefore beta can now be measured 60 degrees plus 90 degrees, so beta equals 150 degrees. So that's it for this video.